good day to everybody. Welcome back here in Suzette's Kitchen. Naku, dahil may mga viewers naman po tayo na kailang lahi. Mag-i-English naman po tayo. Okay lang. Kailangan natin gawin to. Okay, so for today's video, since the Father's Day is approaching, I would like to share this dish or this idea for preparation for Father's Day. I made this one 2 years ago, so today I'm going to share it with you. This is a very easy preparation of sushi cake, and it's very budget friendly, so I hope you're going to like this. So let's go, let's cook. Guys, these are all the ingredients, and also you can check this at the description box below. So first, we're going to cook steamed Japanese rice. I wash the rice 3 times. Then I add the water according to the rice cooker I'm using. I'm going to prepare the Japanese rice. Let it cool down. Now we're going to season this with the sushi vinegar. I hope you can find in your area. I will add 4 to 6 tablespoons, or depends on your preferred taste. Mix this gently. You will wonder that your mixture is so wet, but this is normal. Eventually, the rice will absorb the sushi vinegar. Set aside for a while. Let's prepare the toppings. We will going to make a Kinshi Tamago, a shredded egg crepe. I'm just going to add the 1/4 teaspoon of hondashi, but if you want it to be sweet, just add 1/4 teaspoon of sugar. In a low heat hot pan, drop a bit of oil and spread in the pan. Add the beaten egg. We're going to make a crepe here, so we should achieve the thinness. If the egg is already cooked on the side, try to flip to cook the other side. Is roll the egg and cut thinly. Next, we're going to prepare the salmon. Slice the fresh salmon, but if you can buy a sliced salmon or sashimi cut, that is the better way. So we're going to slice the avocado. After peeling the avocado, we need to slice this. I'm going to slice the half cucumber. I slice the bottom to prevent the wiggling while slicing.
I'm going to use also this crab meat for toppings, but of course you can use your favorite seafoods. Now we're going to assemble the sushi cake. Place the plastic wrap first on the surface. See to it that it covered the base with the wrap. First layer, we're going to lay the sliced salmon. Then we're going to top the half of steamed sushi vinegar seasoned rice. Just see to it to have a uniform layer. Then add the sliced cucumber. Lay the second layer of the sliced salmon. Add the Kinshi Tamago, the same sliced crepe egg, add the sliced avocado, add the layer with the remaining steamed sushi rice. It's optional, but I just want to add sesame seeds. Then just press gently. So next we're going to flip this sushi cake, cover it with a cake plate and flip. Remove the plastic wrap slowly. This is optional, but I want to sprinkle again with the sesame seeds to add flavor. Then we're going to top the sliced avocado. Add toppings with the sliced cucumber. On top, the Kinshi Tamago. Of course, you can make your own design or decoration on your sushi cake. This is just only my suggestion. You can add toppings with your favorite seafoods. Mine, I added crab meat. This is also optional. You can add mayonnaise and sprinkle with sesame seeds on top. And it's done! Then you can add your favorite soy sauce and you can also add wasabi. I hope this suggestion could help for preparation for Father's Day or any occasion. And I'm very sorry I cannot film the face of my husband because he is really shy.
And that's it. The very easy to prepare dish for preparation for Father's Day. So I hope you like it, guys. At sana din po may mahanap po kayong ingredients dyan sa inyong mga kanya-kanyang lugar. So, we're going to thank you for those people who are supporting us. So, it's our shout out time! I would like to say thank you to the ton of boys of Connecticut, USA! Yay! To Amar family, Periolan family, thank you so much for the warm support. I really feel it. And also, I would like to welcome our new family, to Olin from Korea, annyeong! To Danang Saputra, Sincha's Kitchen, Sniper Cute Vlogs, Jowa and Friends Official, sana all may jowa ay charot. Windy Cow Vlog, to Zian Journey, and to Miss Dali K. Gimena. Thank you so much, guys, sa warm support na binibigay niyo. Thank you so much for everything that you always watch my video, my every upload. And also, I would like to shout out for Miss SP Periolan. If you're searching for a good online business partner, you can try to contact her in her Facebook page. She will kindly guide you step by step. So, don't forget it. If you like this video, please do click the thumbs up button, and if you're new to my channel, I certainly appreciate if you click that subscription button there, the subscribe button, you know that. And if you don't want to miss my new upload video, please click the notification bell so that you will be notified in every new video that I'm going to upload. So that's all for today's video, guys. I hope to see you again on my next vlog or my next video. And I that every day there's a reason to smile.